Alright guys, welcome back. As I said, we are going to do an IS38 reaction video, and it's been a week since we've actually installed the IS38, and some key characteristics that have actually changed is a slower spool up time, just a little bit, and then exhaust note. So we have the stock cap back on this with a 3-inch downpipe, and this thing sounds way different. It has a lot deeper tone and it sounds way meatier, and I think it sounds really good. First initial impressions of driving the car is really great. You don't lose too much power down low. You literally pull all the way to 7,000 RPM, and you'll pull like to 130 easy, and it just keeps going and going and going and going. And I feel like it's a great OEM Plus upgrade. And if you want this upgrade but you don't want to spend the extra money on the R, I would highly recommend it, because with the R you're going to be heavier, but you're also going to already have the performance modifications.
Yeah, I would say because I drove the car for almost a year tuned with the stock IS20 turbo, I think I noticed the difference, you know, in the lag more than you did, which it's still seat of the pants, not that big of a deal, but it is something noticeable. Mm-hmm. Like, you notice something's different, but once the car's actually moving, it's like night and day. Like, the thing just pulls harder and longer everywhere.
Yeah.
I think the first day or two of driving it, it was still kind of breaking in or adapting to my driving. You know, how was I going to drive? And it was kind of learning me in a way.
Yeah.
But now it's pretty wicked.
And we are running the Falcon Azina RT 615 Pluses. Now this is Falcon's newest tire, or newest tread pattern and tire compound that they've came out with. So this is like their street track tire, and if you're gonna do this upgrade, you definitely need some tires. Even on the stock IS20, we blew the tires right off the car. Oh, this thing shoots flames, by the way, too.
Yes, it does. And so we've done also a DSG adaptation a couple times now, right? So we did a
flame.
There was a flame, yeah.
So the DSG adaptation, that basically resets to factory specs the transmission, and it relearns how you drive the car. So if you do that right after a DSG flush, or if you haven't done it in a while, just to readapt the transmission to your driving, and it'll shift a lot faster, smoother, more DSG farts, and it's something that you need to do every once in a while, because clutch packs and all that stuff in there get loose over time. And once you put this thing in drive, it literally feels like a normal car. You can't hear anything. If someone like a Mustang comes up on you, like, he's not gonna know what hit him.
It almost becomes too lame. Like, it becomes almost very boring to drive it in just drive mode, because it's like, oh man, I actually gotta really push that throttle and make it move.
Yeah, and it's just a wonderful combo.
Tell them about what we learned here with this new feature from
Now, IE just came out with an access port, and basically this allows you to read all your car's parameters straight from your phone. So you can literally tune your car, clear codes, all that stuff straight from your phone, and it makes it so easy and just plug and play friendly that you don't even have to worry about anything. And all the gauges are accurate and fast. There's no lag, and you can just watch every important gauge you could ever think of. 3, 2, 1.
And for me, it's that pull where
130. Okay, 130.
It wants more.
Yeah, let me know what you guys think about the Golf. It sounds really good, and I love it. I want one so bad. It makes you forget about the ST sometimes, which is sad. So those were little clips. Saw the little flame at the end. That was sick. We also got a flame when you're like de-stowing back there, like back that way.
Oh, did it? Well, so overall, super stoked with it. I don't think at this point I want any more. I mean, we've talked about the idea of eventually going full flex E85 and then that fuel pump mod.
Yeah.
From IE.
Yep.
So we're going to Laguna Seca July 23rd, right?
21st. Friday.
Turn 8 racing. We bought one ticket for either your Golf or your ST.
Mainly the ST. I don't think the Golf is going to be done.
But it's one of those bucket list tracks. Like if you've never gone to Laguna Seca, it's in America, it's one of the best tracks. And so I'm trying to save up. If I can buy another ticket, I'm gonna take this car.
Oh yeah, you should. And any of you guys are in the California area, go to turn8racing.com. I know Turn 8's watching this. Purchase your ticket, and you guys can have fun with us too. Meet new people. Sponsored by 034 Motorsports, Turn 8. They have a bunch of different sponsors. R1 Concept Brakes, and you can go out there and have a blast. You can win raffles and all kinds of stuff. And shout out to Karma Speed for making dope products for the Volkswagen, ST, Fords, Mazda Speed 3s, all the hot hatches. Cameron makes some really cool shirts, and him and his team over there know what they're doing. And they've been skillfully making their website to match our needs as car people and get all the parts we want. And just a big shout out to him. And he's really putting in all the work, and it makes me want to do that too. So, and he's been a big help. And also, as he mentions in his videos, the Karma Speed community, if you're not yet joined, it's free to join. I'll put it down below. I'm in it, and you can chat with him, and you can chat with people in your area about car mods and what you guys have done. His overall goal is to kind of almost make a Facebook marketplace / forum page for every different category of car, and just so everybody can go to the Karma Speed app.
It's a community of enthusiasts that are all like-minded, right?
Yeah, figure out problems, talk to each other, do meet and greets and stuff like that. So I fully 100% support that. It's super cool. that was pretty much the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in another video.